Hello again, everybody. I just wanted to give you a little status update on my newest projects for this particular week. I have a limited run, very special models here. These are made from um, a solid stainless steel bolt that I sliced and turned into a belt buckle. It's all pure stainless steel, everything you see here, except for that brass inner ring and that copper ring, obviously. You can pretty much tell those parts are not stainless steel. I've got another one here. It has a 1970s penny in there, solid copper, of course. These are chunky, heavy, heirloom grade, and they will, in fact, last the rest of your life. If you like my work, subscribe. Check out the Etsy store, a lot of different models there. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a line at Ramon@ramontallarico.com. And stay tuned for future videos.